welcome to the Campus Ministry House. You're welcome to walk through this front door any weekday between 9 and 5. Usually we're here later. If it says open, come on in. We'll usually have somebody here to welcome you at this front desk. So come on in, say hi, and we'll start this way. Here we have our activity room. So these are the comfiest couches. So come on in, study, lay down, watch TV. We have often our soup and scripture discussion in this room. So it's a great place to just come and chat. Here we have a study room. Daniel's in here studying right now, so he'll say hello.
Hello.
So come on in here anytime. It's a quiet place to study. You're always welcome. Now we'll head on upstairs. Upstairs we have another study room, as well as a lazy boy, another TV, and it leads right into my office. So I will usually be right here, available to talk to. We have one entrance there and another entrance here. Just check my door and it'll show where I am, hopefully. Hopefully it's accurate. Here right now. Downstairs we have the kitchen. This is where a lot of things happen. So here we have doctor in the house, people sit around the table. We have soup and scripture, we'll eat here. This is where labra, for labra, all the food is prepared here. So we have casseroles, people are making sandwiches, putting chips in a bag, cookies in a bag, making hot chocolate. Got an oven, full kitchen here, which you're also welcome to use. And fill the freezer. That's one of our biggest events. This place gets packed for fill the freezer. 24-hour casserole marathon. So that's when we're making all of the casseroles to supply all the weeks during Labra to have food for everybody. So usually happens in January, so look for that. It's a great way to get the whole community together. Here's the living room. So this is where we'll pray for Labra, and people usually just hang out in here. There's tons of board games in that corner, so always invite you to play a board game. And we'll come this way as well, where we have another study room, our reading room. We have a lot of supplies in there right now for some of our outreach projects. So Helping Hands Soup Kitchen, we do some volunteering there. We'll take a lot of these donations over that way. And we have a Christmas outreach, so some of these are left over from that, where we supply gifts for a bunch of families in the area. So this tends to be our donation room. And our chapel. This chapel, we invite you to make it your own, but we have all of these prayer requests here. We have prayer baskets throughout the campus where people can write down if their prayer intentions. We'll bring them right here when anybody can come by at any time and offer up these prayers as well. We have a nice kneeler, some chairs, and some materials here as well. And Pope Francis is hiding in the corner too.